game today will be playing Cute versus Scary again. This time with all of my cousins. Say hi.
Say hi. What is that?
Hi.
Oh, that's like a music. Pero,
This is the second time they play.
Can I press?
This is a new one. What do you call it? Retake. Yeah,
Yes,
retake.
yes. Everywhere. Yes. Oh, this is my.
They will be picking their characters to make music with.
Then first bunso and then.
Ako na. They're Filipino. That's why they don't understand me much. Sa akin ito. Guys, pick your favorite character. My two favorite characters. Linda and Pinky. Let's add this one.
This is bro.
Wait lang, kita. Look, scary. Wait lang.
Who is doing that?
Sa akin ito. Okay, wait.
Oh, nothing happened, bro.
Her heart is open.
Hey, bro.
It's okay. I already have. There's nothing. Guys, I have no ads because I downloaded something that gives me no ads. Huh? What you mean with that? My turn.
See to the YouTube.
Mamaya. Post ko ito sa YouTube mamaya. Next is Bunso.
What is that? Apple. Sila ka apple pie. Muna ba?
Guys, wait, the music that I make. Guys, look, I downloaded the real one because of my
Hi guys.
my brother, aka cousin.
Do you know me?
He is a.
Do you know me? Let's play Roblox.
Maya, I'm not making a video about Roblox.
Why?
I downloaded the real Minecraft because I didn't pay because my brother, aka cousin, is a hacker.
This is. Can I try the Minecraft? Can I try the Minecraft?
Mamaya.
Shut up. Uno.
Sorry.
Kunin ko lablab daw si ama tua na hindi daw ako friend ni Tiara. Tiara, come on.
Ano?
Let's go play.
Play ako Minecraft.
Don't fall, Mara. Wait. I like this.
Ano?
Zombie.
Hindi to zombie.
May is blue.
Hindi. Sino gusto laro?
Ako.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Okay, go. Rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper, scissors. What the? Hey.
Hoy, ano? Sheena siya rock, and ito scissors, and ganito.
No. She's.
Ano yung ganito?
Oh, naganto ko.
Hindi mo magutin
Hindi
yung
naganto
bato.
ko. Tiara. ko siya. Hish!
Okay.
Sarah.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Ay, scissors yan?
Kinain ko to. Kinain ko yung papel.
Ano yan?
Godzilla.
Oh, okay.
Ako man yung nauna. Ako na. Kanina lang. Nauna man ako.
Oh, siapa lang nauna kayo? Nangalang.
Bruh. Bunso. Don't be afraid, Bunso. Ako man yung nauna. Because she like this and then I like this and then she like this.
Yes, no, yeah.
Godzilla ito. Godzilla.
Yung ganito, taro ito. Yung kanina. Yung kanina na ganito, taro ito. Ngayon, maguntin mo ng papel.
Into the pool.
Lagyan mo siya. Yan na lang nasusunod, ha? Yan na lang nasusunod.
Ako man yung nauna.
Okay, sunod natin.
Bakit nagulit?
Ikaw nasusunod.
That is my cousin. We were playing. Try.
Ginapatay niya. Nahulog. I need all the foods. This is my food, bruh. Hello, palpaka. What the fuck is that, huh? What the fuck is that? Get the fuck you do, huh?
Guys, subscribe to him, to Junior. He has a YouTube channel. His username is WK. That's his username.
Because my subscriber is 2024.
What do
My
you mean?
And my subscriber
It doesn't pass.
my subscriber is 0. No. Thank you.
Okay. 1, 2,
No.
3.
Wait.
So na. Wait lang.
No, red paper scissors shoe.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors, shoe again. Rock, paper, scissors, shoe. Rock yan, oh, ito.
This is a kegla.
Hindi, siya na.
Ito yung ganito. What is that? Mas malakas pa yung kigla.
Okay, there.
Kunin mo yung mga ano.
Do not tell him what to do.
Teach the chicken.
Do not tell him what to do. There is no chicken in the game.
Come on, chicken, bro. This is a power. No, that is not power, bro. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff.
I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna check what people are outside and make them join me. But why? I just want them to join me. For no reason.
But why? But why? May namatay. Saan namatay? Karat lang. May alam ako. Patayin natin yung multo. Ano? Magano-ano tayo? Gawa tayo ng lighthouse. Lighthouse. Bakit lighthouse? Kanino yan? Kanino yan? She's making lighthouse.
You better not say anything bad word in my game.
Yes, bro. Where's that Junior? I think this is...
Okay, rock, paper, scissors.
Wait. Wag na. Wag na, puro lapit.
Ako na. Ako, rock, paper, scissors.
Wait, Tiara. I wanna make some house. This is you can see. Or I'm making house and then you can see my house and then go for me. Okay?
You need to download Minecraft too then if you wanna play.
Yes, bruh.
Get your mom's phone or your dad's phone. Go.
And I have what
You
is
download
this?
Minecraft.
What is this? Tiara, do you have laser?
Laser? No laser.
This is a glass.
You don't know me? You need your mother? You.
Ayan. Okay. First we gonna do now is this.
More.
What?
Salmon squash seeds.
Wash seed? Diba?
Ito? Ganyan. Saan?
Bunso, nasaan na ba yun? Kita mo yung Sabi mo kayo may kailangan ni Tiara. Sabi mo kayo.
Ikaw! Ikaw, hindi ako! Let's go.
Ikaw na.
Let's go!
No, you.
Let's go!
You. I said you.
Let's go!
I said you.
Let's go!
I said you.
Juniors! Sabihin mo kay Bunso, ikaw, siya, sabihin mo. Bunso wants squash seeds. Let's go.
No.
Opo, dalawa. Let's go.
You want one? Pagpunta ka sa kwarto din, ha? Sige.
Dali, tama. Ano ba? Dali mo ng tao. Ayaw ko ng away. Ayaw ko ng away.
Pangit mo kasi. said my mom?
Hanapin ka.
Why it's not working? I don't know why it cannot work. Oh, bruh. Wait, Yara.
Ako na.
Make some... I'm making some house.
Gawa din ako bahay. Hindi pa ako,
Done.
hindi pa ako tapos sa bahay ko. 1 minute. Hindi. 1 minute, 1 billion minute.
Ano
The same.
ba? 1 billion minute? Gusto ko 6 ka. 6 minutes. 1, 2, 3,
20 minutes.
7, 8, 9, 10.
No, 20 minutes.
1, 2, 3, 4,
20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Hindi pa, hindi pa.
Hindi lang ako. Oh, fun idea. So many likes your subscriber. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here. 10, 12,
Wait lang.
13, 14, 20. Kara, can you make some leather? Kara, do you wanna make... I wanna make you some super cool. Like this one. Yara, and Yara, can you make me some lighthouse? Yara,
Mamaya, bunta sa ako sa bahay ko.
Let's make house. I like your house. Yara, let's make ladder. Where's that, Yara?
Ang bahay mo, gawa ko.
Ayan yung tulugan ko.
Dito.
Saan tulugan ko? Saan tulugan?
Dito, ang
Sa
tulugan mo.
Sa taas?
Yeah, sabihin mo, gusto mo sa taas.
Gusto ko sa taas. Small.
Maliit lang because wala space.
Kinamu na nga ang langi. Yara, Kenny Bunso is she cannot go into the upstairs or down. She cannot go into something. Yara, I cannot down. Oh, right here. No, Yara.
Ano gusto mo din?
Break that.
Ganyan lang, ba't wala wall dito?
And then you need to leather. Tat.
Ano?
Yara.
Ano?
Let's go make some camera, some CCTV, because we can see there's zombies.
Ganito.
Boleh mare, walang ladder.
Ito may ladder!
Paano mo ako maka-apps? Ang liit. Ganyan.
Sige kita, ganyan.
And baba ka na daw. Nagpunta ka na daw doon. Baba ka daw. Nagpunta ka dyan sa bahay.
There, gawa ko ang bed mo na.
Alisin mo na yung
Ano favorite color mo?
ang bed.
Aha.
Color blue. Ang color red.
Red.
Or red, bra.
Okay, ito, Junior. Ano favorite color mo?
Blue light. Light blue.
Light blue. Okay.
You want space, bruh? This is light blue. That.
Ganyan.
Because we are police. I like police.
Hindi. Ito.
Oh,
Ito.
Jara, do you wanna make some police house?
Later. Wait lang.
Uh,
Ano gusto mo?
some. No, I wanna diamond sword.
Diamond? Okay. Ikaw, ano gusto mo?
Light sword.
Wala light sword.
Light blue.
Light blue. Wala light blue.
I not have light. Pero I not have.
Okay, ano gusto mo?
Gusto ko ng.
Kita, may blue na. Okay, wala na ang blue. Black, gold.
Ang gusto ko gold. Mine is the.
Ikaw dyan. Si Junior dyan.
Ako dyan.
Yeah, ikaw dyan.
Bakit baliktad? No. Jara, wait, I have an idea.
Ano gusto mo?
This.
Ang cellphone ko yan.
The Ricky down. Get that.
Ganyan?
No.
Ganyan?
Yes. And then, bunso to.
Ano gusto mo?
Dito, ilagay.
Ano?
Dito siya.
Okay. Ano yan? Room? Opo, ang room na muna. Ito ang room. Oh! Hulog ako.
Hulog. Yan.
Ganyan.
Tabakan. Pero I don't wanna like some leather.
Ano gusto mo na?
Hindi ako
I need door.
makaakyat. I need door.
Door? Okay.
At pamimiyada.
Door.
Bakit may ladder? Para makababa tayo? Can you search some diamond door? Diamond door.
Wait lang ha. Ano gusto mo color? Ikaw? Ano gusto mo?
Ang gusto ko na red. Oh, a fun idea!
Ano gusto mo? Sabi mo lang.
Blue.
Okay. Ito. Okay, what? Door construction.
You know, ano ko di? Yara, I need like this. Yara, I need something.
Ano gusto mo?
Do you know what in is the like put some like come on to the down? Do you know that? That's chest.
Opo.
That's
But my magic.
magic chest.
Opo.
Para yan yung lock.
Yeah, may lock. Ano gusto mo na?
This one, I wanna pick. Your sword.
Sabihin mo lang.
You search the sword and then I see something right
Ito yung
there.
kunin ko yung sword dyan.
Kunin ko yung sword para labanin ko yung zombie.
Yeah, may sword ka dyan.
Gara,
Dyan
can
din.
you make some dragon?
Gan, wala dito gan.
A dragon.
Hindi.
Oh, I need this light. This is Bunso and then this is mine.
Okay. Bunso. So.
Oh, funny Kiara. Let's go make some fire and then making some marshmallow. Let's go make it.
Okay, fire.
Bakit there's na
Sa labas or dyan?
house?
Dito.
Masunog yan. Diba masunog ang bahay natin?
Ganyan lang.
Okay, we need to down now is you search some Do you know you search some sword?
Open.
Ano? Ang glass.
Saan ang glass?
Hindi ko alam. Nakita ko yun. Right here, Tiara.
Uy, bakit ka nagpasunog? Ano?
This one. You search. Can you search your my sword?
Na-open.
Sword.
Na-bintana. Ayun siya,
Sword.
Ayun.
So,
Ano yung na-open? Nakita mo yung light na-open. Ano yung na-open?
wala.
Ayun. Oh, okay. Kuha ko yan. Make me annoying.
Puyo po.
No! Wait lang! Ubus na ang pool. Yan. Patingin nga kung may nabuhos. Tingin nga kung may nabuhos. Wala man.
I don't wanna kiss it. I don't wanna kiss. Bruh.
Here I open.
I don't wanna kiss. I don't wanna kiss. I don't wanna kiss.
Kita. Okay, ano na?
Can I pick like
Wait
this?
lang.
Sword. Just faster.
Yara.
Bro, what's wrong that?
Yara,
Tara, you're done.
Hey, hindi pa ako tapos.
We need to down. We
Yara.
need to see to the
Tiara,
YouTube.
may tutu. Kita. Tiara. May tutuan. May tutu. Ka ng...
How you do that?
Tiara, may... Bye, guys. I'm gonna make another video because I'm so
Okay, me
sorry
too.
with them.
I subscriber.
Oh, yeah. Bye.